How to add a background image to a PowerPoint. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a background image to your slides in PowerPoint. Adding a custom background image is a great way to enhance your presentation and make it visually appealing, so let's get started. First things first, open your PowerPoint application. If you're creating a new presentation, go ahead and start one by selecting New. Now with the slide selected, right-click on the slide background and from the drop-down menu, select Format Background. In the Format Background panel that appears on the right, you'll see a few options. Simply select Fill Picture, and here you can see Picture Source. You'll get a few options to choose from a file, online pictures, or clip art. If you have an image saved on your computer, simply tap on From a File. Now select the image that you want to use and simply hit on Insert, and the image will now appear as the background of your slide. And that's it, you've successfully added a background image to your PowerPoint slide.